Mercy's fun.
Overwatch is fun, smile.
Do you want to make Hanzo this map?
Oh, Blizzard. Oh
Yes,
my
please.
god.
Hanzo.
Okay.
No all the strats.
Mei Hanzo, I'm guessing Orisa Sigma, right?
No, go Zarya Diva.
And Zen. Bob. If you're going on.
Okay. I have fun in Overwatch.
Hey guys!
Do you? I don't.
Look in team chat. My awesome record. The only win I have there is when I play DPS in Diamond.
Wedwick. By the way, I'm a plat DPS.
That sounded
no,
depressing, to be honest. I'm sorry. It is.
How many games?
What? Sigma
2,
Orisa,
3,
I think,
4,
right?
5, 6, 7. 7 games.
Wait, why is this person's PC scope?
Okay.
The Spurs had to scuff because he doesn't have his specs. Like he has the Spurs has a scuffed setup right now. Just saying.
For how long?
Uh,
Open mic, what the fuck?
3 weeks.
Okay, we're gonna go left side. We're gonna set up. Actually, Mats, you can go right side. We will go left side. Take off angles. Don't forget about that.
Fair mercy.
Left side, yeah. Like
Vikings.
underneath.
Hawk. That's right.
Or Sog.
Wookie.
If you come forward back, can you? Okay.
Pushing up. I'm done.
Do you want to kite this?
What the fuck?
They have a hog. Yeah, we kite this. Yeah. Sorry, I'm throwing.
Oh, okay. There's 45. They're on me. I will die. Probably.
Yeah, you're getting fully chased.
Yeah, just get a full regroup. Let's just order main, actually.
I can take.
We're gonna go main and we're
The
gonna.
hog's coming on you.
Nah, it's alright.
Get a full regroup. We're gonna go main and we're gonna go right side and push the main out position. We're gonna go right side and take the high ground.
They're probably gonna try to hold hook after we use our Sigma shield. Cool down.
Maybe one.
Gotta save that.
I should have Blizzard mid fight. The Pharah knows she's spamming.
They have Barrage right now.
Oh, monk, guys.
Mace one left. Tanks the right side. I don't shield.
There's shield already.
I got a window here.
Yeah,
I'm gonna window.
This ball.
2, 1.
Okay.
Yeah, pulling for window. Okay,
Oh, that's unlucky. Watch out for Barrage.
Loading.
The Pharah's brush, she's gonna come from the top right, like
I'm
top
going disco now.
We can probably drop now.
Yeah.
Drop right.
Ursa ward, Ursa ward,
Orisa
Ursa
disco.
ward.
Sorry.
She just scored.
Lamp,
Get
lamp,
him.
lamp.
Kill him. Shooting hog. Hog dead.
Nice.
Watch the brush, watch the
Fire
brush.
behind.
They're gonna go for the rest now.
For
It's
2.
still winnable.
For 2.
Mercy one.
You have no heals right now. Scarf.
We have the heals, yeah.
I'm with you, Kawhi.
Nice.
All froze, all froze.
That was maybe too much, but it's alright.
Let's get
Yeah, don't worry about it.
It's just.
We'll check.
They'll have a BEP. They'll have Mercy soon. They'll have Hog. They'll main. They use Barra.
Okay, can you give me the
Yeah, we
the
can
armory
watch.
more often?
They have Winston now instead of
Oh,
Reese.
yeah, sure. Okay.
Good job. They use barrage.
We're gonna use Pole Sigma this fight. Yeah, we can use Pole Sigma and Hanzo ultimate. If it's big. Fire Discord right now.
Put a car here. 3, 2, nice drop.
Mazed wall, by the way.
Hawk flanking, what?
No, everyone's behind us.
Left side. They're all left. I'm done.
Reset.
Loading. Fuck.
Okay, so we're gonna Pole Sigma and Hanzo into them.
They'll have Hog. They'll have supports.
Blizzard as well, I think.
Hog and supports. That's all. I have window here.
Okay. We're gonna use Pole
okay,
Sigma
okay.
first.
I didn't see.
Can push again. Putting 3, 2.
Hawk flanking!
Must still left so far.
We're losing this.
Wait for them.
I'll be close to another Barrage.
Yeah, get ready to use Pole Sigma here. Trans Barrage.
The Hog might look for another hook. He's not with them right now.
Where's
Okay.
one, I guess.
There's
He's
there.
flanking, he's flanking.
They don't have shield, they don't have shield, they're one, they're
There's
one.
gold either.
Shield them are
There's
one.
gold. I'm gonna pull after.
I have window.
Yeah, pulling now. 3, 2, 1.
Careful on the left, careful on the left. Me on the left.
Get over to the gold.
Over to this code. Good.
Middle west one, middle
Far
west one.
flanking, far flanking. I'm calling.
Hog
I'm
froze,
calling.
hog.
No modes, no modes, no modes, no modes. No modes. Far above.
Wait.
Far. Pulling hog,
Hog, hog, hog.
Hog off. Hog on.
Sorry.
Pushing up big killies.
Back.
They'll have Orisa soon, they'll have Valk, they'll have window.
Nice. Okay. We're gonna use bongo window this fight.
Do you want to use window first and just speed into the? No, we don't speed.
Tracer.
No. We're gonna bongo. bongo
Dive.
window them.
They're playing
Not
dive.
there yet.
Okay, once the divers, we're gonna bongo window them.
I'll try freeze.
Give me the harmony, give me the harmony.
Wait, where are you? I can't see you right now.
Mike is pulling left.
I'm dead.
Come back. Okay.
I'm pushing up.
T-
Yeah, bog
Monkey discorded, monkey discorded.
Monkey. DV. Nice.
Trace behind, Trace.
Swapties.
Trace behind.
Loading.
Trace is on the mini.
1 point, up dead. First line low.
Far behind.
Front of shift.
Tracer one melee, Tracer one melee.
I'm 1 HP, I'm dead.
Watch out.
They'll have a bomb, they'll have a Winston, they'll have Valk.
Shay, what do you say to this? Shay.
To what?
To this
Brave.
pick. Against the dive? Or no?
Why? I mean, okay, go ahead.
I'm just gonna get fucked on Zen.
I will say no. I will say no because they have a Pharah.
You're too far forward there, careful.
Oh, look at this.
I'm gonna go
Sorry, can you do this? Can you say the words again? Sorry, I wasn't listening.
They'll have Winston, they'll have support, they'll have Tracer close to Farah.
Okay, do a clean push. Try to bail some words. If it gets winnable, we can
this
actually
is
winnable. We're gonna pull May. Once they dive us, we're gonna use port May words.
I'm gonna stay here just in case they go for res.
Please push
Peel for me.
forward.
Peel for me a bit.
Barrage, she has barrage.
Dead.
Okay.
Why are you? Oh, it's okay.
What did you use?
They have window, they have bomb, they have monkey.
Okay, we're gonna use Sigmar when they push. Actually, we're gonna use Mayo when they dive us. And we can also use Sigmar mid fight.
I got window here.
Can we force point somehow?
Yeah.
We need
You got
touch.
someone else to touch.
Versus one.
Dodge shield.
Hands on one. I get in
Get out
dove.
of me.
We're getting dove. I'm dead.
The mercy.
Mercy. Point.
Stun point.
I want it. Shooting monkey. Monkey one. Monkey that.
Use or
I'm dead.
use ords if you get them. I've got next touch.
Cover my dragon.
Amping healers on point. So I wasn't making any plans. I need to do that. Start doing that. A bit more.
Okay, I need to be calling your Discord.
Okay.
I feel like
What?
very often you don't even have Discord on someone.
Okay. They're resetting, I guess. Just in a scuffed way.
Yeah.
Welcome to Blizzard World.
Citadel, you might want to play a bit further back. I feel like you're getting kills very often. Maybe.
What do we play here? Do we also get Pharmacy with Hanzo? Baptiste Mercy?
I prefer Mei Hanzo, but you could try Farah Hanzo, I guess. I just feel like you're gonna... Yeah, try Farah Hanzo, I guess.
Yoink. My Baptiste now. Unless you want me to be throwing on us again.
Ready for battle. Attackers incoming.
Okay, we got this. Dude, why would they go Blizzard World? Blizzard World is such a shit map, to be honest.
I kind of like it.
I hate it.
It's good because it's colourful.
Color, cherry,
It-
and it's a lot of
yeah, but the-
angles.
I don't know.
One. Attackers incoming.
Okay, make sure you're taking off angle.
Objective A.
Looks like dive. Hammond dive.
Willowmaker and dying.
What the fuck? There we go.
All day well.
The hose, they come.
You have for Doom. Doom's going top left right now.
Board right.
He's inside top left.
Full left side.
Board's coming from left.
Full on the back line. Give us me.
Bunch one going to Mega. The miss are
Doom
still on
left,
top.
Doom.
Give us top.
I can't see it now.
I'm putting give
Damage one, damage one, damage one, damage one, damage one.
I'm resing.
Come back, come back. Give space.
Nice.
Ooh, I have to zoom out. I got to.
Yeah, putting give it, no fly, give it a fly. Give it
I'm
a-
going on Diva, I'm going on Diva.
Pull in,
Hammond
pull
in
in,
the
pull in.
back.
Pull one left side. Nice, I'm gonna pull Pharah. 3, 2, never mind. Kill Mercy, kill Mercy. Mercy left east.
Board behind,
Yeah,
board
yeah.
behind, board behind.
They'll have bad ult, that's all.
He's right, he's right.
Okay. He's
Pull in the
gone.
mines. Pull up.
He's one. Board one. Nice. We'll check.
Bad ult, that's all.
Okay, once they dive us, we're gonna use, we can use pull Hanzo when they dive us. If I need to, I'll also use my window.
Doom might be going bottom. Okay, he's going top left again with the Hammond this time.
Okay.
Board left.
For one.
Pull right side sun. Pulling him.
Doom's
Pull one.
going main. Behind you.
Walk back.
Rush here.
Yeah, she has barrage.
I'm resing you.
I'm lit.
I'm putting tanks.
There's an Imo in the back there.
I need him.
No more, I think.
Pull left side, half.
They have
Oh,
mines.
Putting ball, pull low. Pull that.
I'm on back.
Give it half, right side. There.
You've had a knife.
Pull low.
Doom left, behind.
Leave, huh?
They'll have Doom, they'll have mines, they'll be close to bomb, they'll have barrage, they'll have Vogue, they'll have window, that's all.
Okay, as soon as they dive us, pour Sigma. Feel free to. I'm also gonna use my window. If we really need to, we can also barrage. But it would be better if not.
They'll have Doom ult for sure.
They have
Okay,
brush. I'm on the
so
mark.
pour Sigma. Pour Sigma.
Boss
when
come
they
behind
dive.
you.
Putting ball.
What? I didn't see her. Oh
I'm resing.
Farlow.
It's lost.
no. No, winnable.
Okay, next fight we're gonna use.
They'll have
Okay,
bomb,
we're gonna
they'll have window, Vogue. Sorry.
They use window. I think. I'm not sure though.
They
We're
have
gonna
window.
use.
They
Okay,
have
so,
window.
I'm having huge lags. What the fuck? Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, you.
Wait, can you ask for pause quickly?
Yeah, pulse. Ask.
They don't give a fuck. They're not pausing.
Okay, I'm back. What the fuck? Give me a sec. I'm just gonna quickly. Imagine not.
Why is the DPS player the owner of the thing?
No, man. We are actually asking for pause. They're shooting me like 3 of them. They are meanwhile shooting me, and they even flank me and kill me, and then they pause when I'm dead.
Yeah. They just. Well, what Citadel said basically.
They're fucking retarded, I hate them.
We're ready though.
Oh my god. that's not
We want host.
Yeah, we want host.
Okay.
Because that's just not gonna give us a lot of practice if Marth is just getting fucked and he's expecting a pulse. And the whole team is waiting for the pulls.
Okay, we're gonna reset and we're gonna use port signal once they.
You have a fire behind.
We're gonna take control of push on. We're gonna go into point and push onto point and get a full regroup. Get a full regroup. We're gonna push onto
Right
point
now.
and once they dive us on point.
I need hope.
I can't see it there. Sorry. I can't hear you. I can't hear
Oh,
you.
I can't help you. I guess I'm mercy.
Yeah, just get back on
There's
point.
one. There's one.
They have a widow. If you know, we're gonna push onto cart and we're gonna use poor signal and I'll use my back window into it.
Pushing a point, we got touch.
Monkey's on me.
I'm Baptiste, please. Top one, right side. Pick him up. Top one.
I need
top
him.
one.
Oh, there's an emo there. Get into the emo.
It's wonderful. They'll have a barrage.
With the far left.
There's a monkey on your map.
What
I'm your map set here. You only have mercy heals.
Monkey farm.
Oh, you have no heal. Okay.
I'm fine. Doing monkey.
Monkey one.
Bull.
After this fight, swap to Lucio.
Bull gonna spawn.
After this fight, swap to Lucio, May Reaper.
Okay.
Why?
I mean, against or not against that. Okay, no. Okay, no man then.
They'll have mines, they'll have Farah, they'll have Bep.
Okay, hold on point. Bab's one. Bahamut's one. He's one. No one.
They have walls on
We're
here.
gonna use Bongo once they dive us.
I need to stay hidden.
Wait. I can't see it. I can't see it.
I can't get up there.
What?
I need to stay hidden.
My man.
I'm using ammo here.
Just a point.
Just for as long
Walking.
as we can.
They've got barrage.
Targets.
For one.
Shoot monkey.
Fire on knife. One.
Winnable.
Swordable. One going. Monkey low.
Nice.
Monkey salting.
They
Fire
raised the
watch
crab.
out for barrage.
I'm putting monkey point. Fire.
Dead.
Fire one dead.
It's winnable.
Shoot monkey still. Monkey.
Mind their widow.
Mercy, I'm in right now.
Pulling him.
I'm going to Lucia.
Let's go right side.
Mercy's alone on point.
No, can we actually stagger them? Can we actually play a stagger to them?
It doesn't
Fuck,
matter.
no, fuck them.
Hold point, guys. We're gonna kill them as they come in.
Need hope right side.
Nice pick.
There's a ball
Hold on
run.
point.
Pulling him.
I recall, but
Thanks, Bull.
unlucky.
Ball's on me.
Shooting monkey.
Oh my god!
Pulling us.
Internet.
Take pull.
We have.
Monkey one. Monkey one speed dead. Below.
Just hit it.
Bull one.
Hold on.
Nice.
Dude, I
think that's the
recall.
one
I recall, but the fucking game, dude.
Okay, you don't really want to go May Reaper against them, because
Not right now. Okay.
this point just doesn't really offer you ways to like close the distance. Did we win? I'm not sure. One big thing I
Yeah, we
noticed
did.
is you're playing against Widow and Pharah, I believe, which is basically they want space, right? Widow wants space. So what you need to be doing between fights is denying their Widow space. Like, you can't give her that high ground for free. We were continuously having our tanks set up on point on the payloads, which basically meant they could just grapple to the high ground. They might have to first screw over Marto, who's trying to kind of hold down angles on the high ground, but there was nobody really there to help him, so he's not gonna win that fight.
Okay.
I'm aware of that, but you realize what I mean, right?
Traveling to Nepal.
Okay.
Village. I guess Hanzo May again. With maybe.
This is okay. This is the one with the really close point, you know? The really small, broady point.
Yes, Farah, Hanzo. May. Yeah, but May Reaper? But we. Oh, that was only against that one comp. Never mind then.
Yeah. That was
Yeah,
didn't
May
want to
Reaper,
run
Ryan Orisa.
Orisa against the Ryan Orisa one-trick team.
Yeah,
So we
I
had to
remember.
counter.
Ryan Orisa W comp. Let's go with Lucio and Ryan. Yeah. That take round from me a gold pug.
Wait, your goal?
Ready for
Oh, okay, are you gold? What?
No, stop.
It's
Stop.
like a Reinhardt.
He was like a diamond last season. He was like a diamond run.
I think it's more like a meme because he lost a gold game playing Reinhardt.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, so take TP right side.
5,
Go straight to point.
3, 2,
If they play a Pharaoh, we wanna make sure the Pharaoh is not with us,
Three, two,
and basically push them as soon as we know that she's not with their team.